Hi guys, it's Hayley, welcome back to my channel. So I have an extra video for you this week and it is going to be the Asos beauty box unboxing. Now I have tried to get my hands on one of these boxes most months, but they sell out super duper quick. So I've been lucky enough this month to grab one as soon as it was released. Now these were released on sale yesterday and like I said, they do go super fast. And this is a really good box this month, so you might want to go and get one of these before they'll sell out. This is real time. I will be filming this now and uploading it straight away, so you will get this video Saturday, which is today. So as of now they are still on sale, so let's get into this unboxing. Asos boxes are not a monthly subscription. They are not like a glossy box where you will subscribe to them and the money will come out monthly. They are a purchase box. You have to go onto the site and purchase them. There is no set date in which these boxes come out, but they always range around the 1st of the month. They do sell out super quick, so like I said, get onto this box. I will put the link down below for you so you can go and have a little look. So this one is the Asos Beauty Favourites, the best of Asos. It says, welcome to the September Face and Body Box. This month we have put together a selection of the best-selling beauty bits on Asos. So it's got a little description of what we've got in the box. So this is how it comes packaged, just with a little bit of paper here. So we'll just open this up. Now like I said, these got some really good products. In this box they are mini products this month. I believe that some months do have full-sized items, or they can range from deluxe minis to sample sizes. But this is a really good taster box this month. So this box costs £12. It does have some shipping on top of that as well. But with Asos, if you have the loyalty scheme where you get the free next day delivery for a year, you can use that on this box as well. But obviously if you don't have that, then you will need to pay shipping on top of the £12. So let's have a look at what we've got this month. First, we have what I'm really excited about. We've got the Mercier translucent powder, and this is the Glow translucent powder. Now I am so excited to have this. I've wanted a Mercier powder for such a long time, but because it's so expensive for a powder and I don't use an awful lot anyway, it's whether or not I will enjoy and whether it will work for me. I know it's got a lot of rave reviews, but that doesn't mean it works for everybody. So I am so happy to get this little tiny Mercier powder. Now the powder actually goes all the way to the bottom here, so it is quite a good size. We're looking at 15ml in here. It comes with a little stopper at the top here, which I can never get undone. And then all I do is just shake it in the lid a little bit, and the powder comes out here. Yeah, so that is absolutely lovely to have. I'm really excited to try that. Like I've said, I've wanted to try Mercier for such a long time, but not really been able to try it just because I didn't want to pay all that money for a translucent powder if I wasn't going to like it. So that's the first item, is a Mercier powder. Really small little cute tub of that. Great for travelling if you're wanting to take it away with you. Then we have the Glam Glow Hollywood Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So that's this one. Now this is a little miniature size as well. We have 15 grams of product in here. So obviously that's going to do you a good couple of face masks in there just to try it out. So that is the next item. Then another thing that I'm quite excited about and excited to try is the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturiser, which is this here. So this is in a 15ml size. Now these, I've got another one of these. I've got a different, I can't remember what the other one is I've got, but you don't need an awful lot of these. Now this is absolutely beautiful, full to the brim, and gonna last a pretty long time. Again, really nice to pop in your toiletry bag for when you go away. So yeah, so I'm really happy to have that. Then we have, I have already got one of these out of a subscription box. It's the Climax mascara from NARS. Comes in this little cardboard packaging. Just rip that open. And it comes in this red tube. Now this is the mascara I use to put on my lashes prior to putting strip lashes on. I've actually got it on today. It's absolutely gorgeous and I'm really happy to have another one because I was debating getting the bigger size of it. So the wand is really nice and thick. Gives a really good lift to your lashes. So I'm really happy to have that. So that is the NARS Climax mascara there. I've had my last one for a good while and it's the same size as this, and I use it every time I wear strip lashes, which is every time I film and most days really. So that is the Climax mascara. Again, all these products are great to just take travelling with you. If you're going travelling, if you're going to stay in a hotel somewhere overnight, then obviously these are a really good addition to your travel bag. So that is that. And then lastly, another thing I'm very, very excited about is the Emma Harding Moringa Cleansing Balm. Now anyone who is into skincare or knows anything about skincare would know that Emma Harding is a really fantastic skin brand. Now it's quite an expensive brand, which is why I've never tried anything from her before. Now in this we get the 15ml product and it is just a cleansing balm. Okay, I'm not going to swatch it. I don't really want to touch it until I've thoroughly cleansed my hands. But yeah, again, something fantastic just to put in your beauty kit or to put in your travel kit, just to go away with, just go on a night out, a night to stay over at a hotel or something like that. I'm hopefully going to a hotel in a couple of weeks, so I will be taking all these little bits with me just in my travel case. So that is the next item, which is the Emma Harding Cleansing Balm in 15ml. Absolutely fantastic. So in this kit you get the 5 items, but they are all great brand items. So if I just show you what we've got here, we have the NARS Climax mascara, we have the Emma Harding Moringa Cleansing Balm, we have the Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour Moisturiser, we have the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, and we have the Glam Glow Super Clearing Treatment. And that is the box for Asos this month. So as you can tell, they are all sample sizes, but good size sample sizes. Enough for you to try them and see if you like them without spending all the money on them. But also equally as good to take away with you on holiday or to put in your travel bag. That is my Asos unboxing for this month. Hopefully I will be able to get the next beauty box that Asos do next month. Hopefully I'm quick enough because sometimes I'm really slow. This is still on sale, so if you like what you see in here and you feel like you want to give it a go, head over to Asos and I'll pop the link in the bottom. Just click on show more and it'll all be down the bottom. So yeah, so if you like what you see here, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of any future uploads. But until the next time I see you, you take care. Mwah.